Why it's essential to have fresh air in the home. Dear friends, plenty of people are firm believers in airing out and having fresh air in the home. You may see some people airing their blankets and pillows outside each day, or opening all their windows, regardless of the outside temperature. But what are the true benefits of doing this? Is there really any point to it? Fresh air in the home has many benefits to you and your family's health. Watch on, you'll quickly be convinced to start opening your windows wide each morning. Get rid of stale air. One of the main reasons people will open up all the windows and doors of their homes, even during winter, is to let out stale air. Air locked in the home has been used. It has been breathed in and doesn't contain as much oxygen as the fresh air from the outside. We need oxygen in order to function properly, and therefore air that is lacking in oxygen is not going to do you much good. When you open up windows and doors, you're helping the home to get rid of the stale air and bringing in the new, fresh air. Avoid mold growth. Mold loves to grow in warm, dark, and moist conditions. One place a lot of people often forget about is in and around their mattress, and many are surprised to find mold growing underneath their mattress. Sleeping on a bed of mold each and every night can cause severe allergic reactions in some people. By opening the windows of the bedroom and shaking out the linen, you can help reduce this from happening. If possible, stand the mattress up in the bedroom with the window open to help dry out the mattress. This can get rid of dampness from body sweat and humidity. Remove dust. We all know dust mites love living in the home in our beds, lounges, linen, and clothes. When you open up the home, the resulting air movement can help to remove dust mites that haven't been sucked up by your vacuum cleaner. Since it's not always convenient to vacuum your linen, shaking out your sheets and letting fresh air breeze through them always helps to reduce and eliminate dust mites. Bring in the sunshine. Sunshine isn't just good for warming you up when you're cold. It can also act as a natural bleacher over time for household items such as blankets, so you can avoid using harsh chemicals such as bleach. Additionally, sunshine has also been shown to help kill dust mites. So, when you open your windows, be sure to open the blinds as well to bring in all that lovely sunshine. Not only can you disinfect your belongings to a certain extent, but you'll also be helping to remove those horrible dust mites living in your furniture and linen. Reduce condensation. When you have your windows and doors all shut up, you'll notice an increase in condensation in the home. This can lead to damp windows and window frames, and therefore black mold. Without proper air ventilation in the home, the house almost becomes a box of hot, steamy germs. By opening all the windows and doors, you can let out this damp air and reduce the amount of condensation in your home. Save on power costs. By opening the windows and doors in your home, you can receive fresh air and may soon find this is enough to cool the home down, eliminating, or at least significantly reducing, the need for an air conditioner. So not only will you be cool and comfortable, you'll also be saving on your electricity costs. Better concentration. Because having fresh air in the home means there are higher levels of oxygen, having increased ventilation in the home can actually help improve concentration. What a great reason to open your windows and let in all that fresh air. Start reaping the benefits of greater clarity today, and open up those windows. Get better health. There are many ways you can improve your health, but the small act of fresh air has shown to improve blood pressure and heart rate, promote a stronger immune system, encourage higher serotonin levels, which improves mood, and even aid in digestion. This means simply by opening windows and letting in the fresh air, you can vastly improve a number of aspects of your health. No matter how you look at it, the simple act of opening your windows can have a wide range of benefits. You will start to notice from day one how opening up your home and letting in fresh air has a positive effect on your health. You'll soon rue the days you spent cooped up in your stuffy home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.